This video demonstrates the most accurate and efficient method of collecting and extracting a sample for analysis. This video serves only as a companion to the written materials supplied with the food allergen test kit. Please read and follow the written instructions in their entirety. This demonstration makes use of Neogen's allergen extraction kit in the sample extraction process. The kit contains 250 milliliter disposable extraction bottles and transfer pipettes. In addition to the kit, you'll need the following materials for the extraction step: a shaker water bath capable of heating 30 or 60 degrees Celsius, graduated cylinder to measure 125 milliliters, a scale to weigh a 5-gram sample, 1 liter bottle to prepare extraction solution, deionized or distilled water, a timer, PBS or other extraction powder from respective Veratox allergen kit. Prepare extraction solutions by adding contents of the PBS foil pouch to 1 liter of distilled or deionized water. Mix. Preheat the extraction solution to 60 degrees Celsius. While heating the extraction solution, gather a representative sample and grind to a fine particle size. Measure 5 milliliters or weigh 5 grams of sample in a new 250 milliliter bottle. Add 1 level scoop of the appropriate extraction additive to the sample. Pour 125 milliliters of the 60 degrees Celsius extraction solution into the sample bottle. Extract by shaking in a 60 degrees Celsius water bath at 150 RPM for 15 minutes. Remove from the water bath and let material settle for 5 minutes. Some samples may require filtration to achieve a supernatant free of suspended material. Remove approximately 1 milliliter of the supernatant and transfer to a collection tube to allow sample to cool. Your sample is now ready to be tested. Samples should be analyzed within 2 to 3 hours using the appropriate Veratox allergen test kit.